Alright, this is our first home hack of the day. I've got all of these shampoo bottles down here. I do have one the Command brand caddy right there, but we're going to install another one that's self-adhesive, so you don't have to put any holes anywhere or nothing. It's just a peel and stick. So the adhesive has this little cover on it that you can pull off, and then you just pop it on the top right here, and then you just put it wherever you want to put it.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh,
I'm about to show y'all the before and after, and it's so satisfying. I'm so excited to take showers in here now without a bunch of stuff around my feet, and also I will be more motivated to clean my shower because everything is up off of the surfaces and against the one wall, so it's going to make cleaning the shower like a whole lot easier. So this also came with like a little soap caddy and a little cup caddy to put whatever you want to put in there, which I thought was really nice, and this is affordable, so I'll have it linked down below.
I'm in our second bathroom in the hallway, and this one it is just so chaotic down there. I've got some stuff in a pot, and then I've got some stuff in that basket, but I'm going to do a different solution today and use these. They come with hooks on the side. All you do is put these 4 rods in, push this down. This already comes, you know, built. It slides out. Took me 5 seconds to put together. So we are going to declutter and organize this space, and then I plan to put that bin back in my office because that's where the other ones are. Some of the stuff that is in this bathroom is cracking me up. This is that pink spackling for walls. What is this, you ask? A sword. Part of a sword that Aaron found on the side of the road one day because he used to do, he was a foreman. He had a team and they would clear the power lines, like the trees, the branches and stuff. So he was the one that made everybody mad with their trees cut in half. But you know what? I'd rather have electricity than have a a full tree. Anyway, one day a lady got mad at them, and then she like felt bad about it. So the next day, she, as I'm holding a sword, she gave all of the crew brownies, homemade brownies, and it was so sweet because he brought them home, so I got to have one too. She definitely redeemed herself with that one. I found some Mr. Plumber. I need to use this in my shower. All that hair I get in there. This is where I get to organize and declutter, y'all, because I had no idea that I had this hand soap in here. It is the Kitchen Mandarin, and this is perfect for this time of year. I've been using my Dawn dish liquid as hand soap because now it's in that pump thing. So I'm going to put this in the kitchen. Goes to my wall mop. I have not seen this thing in a long time. Y'all, I want to wallpaper this. I'm looking down here and I'm like, oh, it looks so good underneath the kitchen sink that I want to do it in here too. So we're going to do that. I need to vacuum this out. I'm also going to take me a lunch break. I'm going to go to that gas station and get me those boiled peanuts. So I'll show you all that. Found another screwdriver. We're getting lucky because this is the second day. We have found another one. Very exciting. So yeah, I am going to vacuum this, oof. And then I'll be ready to put the peel and stick down. Oh! And then we can kind of organize this stuff. There was a few things in here that I thought, well, I don't know if he wants, and he is out fishing right now with his friend, so I'm just going to hold on to all of it, and maybe he'll use them if they're like here, you know, on these trays. Alright, and this is the trash. So I'm not going to close this just in case there's other things later today. He says, yeah, we can get rid of that. That would be good. It's hard to tell, but, and this isn't like dirt or anything, it's just because I put one coat of paint on there. I'm going to buy some more, or actually I do have some paint. I am just kind of taking a microfiber cloth, oh my goodness, one of these wipes, Clorox wipes, to just get everything off of hell.
I got my boiled peanuts. I had already eaten quite a few of them, y'all. And then I remembered I was supposed to show y'all the boiled peanuts. This time I got like half and half. Some normal and then some of the Cajun. so good every time, and it's the prices at the gas stations have gone up, but the bulk peanuts have still stayed the same. It was just $2, and you can fill it up as full as you want. So this peel and stick wallpaper is really easy to work with. It is off of Amazon, but I can never find the exact one. But if I had to search for something like this, I would look up like watercolor, abstract, peel and stick wallpaper, something like that, and you will see a lot of things just like this. And you may get lucky and find the exact one, but I know that's where it came from. And I am going to have to cut this now because of that thing in the way. I think you can, like, actually no, I don't think you can take the bottom part apart. Just the top. Anyways, so I just kind of cut around it and then just made sure the pieces were kind of blending in with the other piece of the wallpaper. I don't normally do my wallpaper like this where things aren't lining up, but when it's something like under the sink, it's like bound to happen. So I'm going to be covering them up with those roller like shelves anyways. So I just was doing it, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's your reminder that things do not have to be perfect. If it's your own house, you can kind of do it the way you want to do it. Obviously, if you're doing this as a professional, you might want to get it right. But for me, as long as it looks better than what it looked like before, that's kind of how I know that I'm happy with it. So while I'm putting this wallpaper down, I'm curious to know what your shows that you have been watching lately, and I'll list off the shows that we have been watching lately. Erin and I like to make it a habit to watch one to two episodes, depending on the time we have, but at least one episode of a show, just so we have that like little mini date together. We'll fix our food and then we'll just watch the show and kind of talk about it while it's playing. So the Blacklist, it took us a pretty long time to get through because there's so many seasons. But overall, if you can get past like violent type of shows, to me it was really good. Like the storyline was really good. I would watch it again. That's how much I really liked the show. We also recently finished watching Fallout. So good. I was pleasantly surprised. It made me want to play the game, and I tried to play Fallout Vegas once, and I couldn't get past like the very beginning. It was just this creature kept making me die. So I just kind of hung up that game. But Erin has played all of them. I'm a much more like cozy gamer where there is no enemies. You're all friends. So not my thing really, but I really liked the show. Again, it's got a lot of like goriness to it, I guess. A lot of action. But the storyline is really awesome, and I heard that they are in the works for a second season. So we found it on Amazon Prime, and if you have Amazon Prime, it's free to watch. So that was pretty exciting. But let me know what your shows that you've been watching lately, or any kind of thing you watch or read to entertain yourself. I would love to know.
Alright, y'all, here is the after. So on the top here, I've got this basket with some stuff. Then I've got that's like a shaving kit, I think, and then the gloves. And then on these hook sides, I have some more like shaving stuff in those pouches. And then this is the part that rolls out. And I've got soap, aloe gel, the shaving cream, more razor stuff, and then like beard balms. And then all that's left in here is that, just a cleaning spray. Actually, I need to put this mirror back. I was gonna put that one in there, but obviously the pipe, it won't go, so it worked out just doing the one though. Miss Chloe, she is such a diva. Look at the other two. Okay, I gotta feed my animals.
While all my girls were eating, if you're new here, I have 2 cats and 1 dog, which was Miss Chloe, that y'all saw. Lucy is the bigger cat, and Margaret is the smaller cat. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to say that, because Margaret is definitely catching up to Lucy. And no, Lucy is not pregnant. She is just such a big cat. And I feed them what it says to feed them, on the back of the package. But I know for a fact Lucy catches mice and birds, and they're both an indoor-outdoor. So they go outside after I get up, and then they come back in before it gets dark. So they get lots of activity out there, and I know they're catching some food out there. Because sometimes in the evenings, Lucy will just like grab a little bit, and then she'll just run back because she'll want to go back outside. So I know she's eating stuff from out there. I thought I had grabbed everything, then I had to come back here and get this, and then I decided, hey, let's mop the floor a little bit, because I don't know the last time I mopped the bathroom. Probably maybe like 5 days ago. But anyways, after this, that would be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit shorter than what my normal videos are, but I was soloing everything today since Aaron was fishing, and you really don't know how much somebody helps you until they go and like spend time with our friends. So I look forward to him coming home and then helping me film some more tomorrow, because we definitely cover a lot of ground when it's the 2 of us. Alright though, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.